Hello friends. Firstly, we would like to congratulate those who have cleared the first round selection process of Next Scholarship through embassy recommendation. Now, we are here to see the notification updates about University Recommended Next Scholarship 2021. So, as you can see, there are already few universities have announced the deadlines and the notifications. So, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please go through our channel and watch the videos about the process of University Recommended Next Scholarship and also the guidelines for interviews, and also we have already recorded the step-by-step procedure for University Recommended Next Scholarship along with the guidelines for how to find the faculty or the research supervisor and interview guidelines and along with the deadlines. Before going further, let's have a look about these scholarship details. So this is a scholarship to study in Singapore. So around 900 awardees are considered for this scholarship. So if you are having a difficulty in getting any other countries or even Japan, you may consider this as an option. The link is here and we'll be sharing in the description also. So now let's look at the universities which have already uploaded the updates about University Recommended Next Scholarship. School of Science, University of Tokyo, which we have already made a video about this complete procedure, how to apply and all. Now we are not going in detail about how to apply for the university completely. We are planning to have the specific university guidelines or the suggestions from the fellow members in due course. So you can refer the video for the procedure about remaining universities also, how to approach and how to find the guides. The links we are uploading here, but you can approach all of the links are as per your interest. Tokyo Institute of Technology, APU, Asia Pacific University, Kyushu University, Graduate School of Life Science, Hokkaido University. See the deadlines. School of Science, University of Tokyo, it is 30 October 2020. Tokyo Institute of Technology is 8th December 2020. APU is in 18th November 2020. Kyushu University is late October 2020. Graduate School of Life Science, Hokkaido University is end of October. So it is the right time for you to approach to the faculty. If you have not started already, please watch our videos how to approach, how to find the right supervisor for getting positive response. Get back to us if you have any difficulty. We'll be trying our best to answer all the queries. So these are the links. The same links will be floating in the description. We have already floated these things in the Facebook. You can see our Facebook page. So you can see on this Tokyo Tech, this Tokyo Institute of Technology, there are multiple schemes like IGP A, IGP B, IGPC. Like you may go through one by one as per your relevance or whatever you find it interesting. And the Kyushu University also, there are multiple details you can go through one by one. And this Hokkaido University is a one school, so other schools you may wait for the updates. So let us look about Tokyo Institute of Technology, as we already seen about UTokyo. So you can see Tokyo Institute of Technology, they have this program called IGPA, and you can see in the left side here IGPB and again IGPC and graduate scientist engineers. There are multiple schemes. You just go through one by one and contact the respective supervisors before further application process, as it requires consent of supervisor. And APU is there, Kyushu is there, Hokkaido is there. We wish you all the best. Please try your best. Hope you will get your desired university and desired research area. Thank you for watching.